I'm going to say something that might get me canceled, but if you think digital products are only planners, templates, and cute printables, you're missing the entire world of products that are quietly making people thousands every month. And the wild part is most creators don't even realize these are the ones buyers are hunting for. Before we go any further, make sure you like this video and subscribe, and then go grab the free 50 digital products that sell plus starter kit in the description, so AI can take care of your business while you focus on making money. Now let me get straight to what keeps so many creators awake at night. You want to make money online, but you don't know what to sell. You've tried watching videos, you've tried brainstorming ideas, you might have even created something and it didn't sell. Meanwhile, other people post a product and somehow they're getting sales every single day. Why does that happen? Why are their products selling and yours aren't? And the real question is, what are people secretly buying right now that nobody talks about because creators don't want competition? Stay with me because there are 3 things you're going to want to hear in this video. First, you'll learn the products that are quietly blowing up all over Etsy and Shopify and are about to explode even more. Second, you'll find out why the simplest products outsell the most beautiful ones. And third, you'll learn the strategy billion-dollar companies are using that you can copy even as a beginner to make your digital products more profitable in less time. Let's start with the first group of digital products people are secretly buying. These are the ones shoppers don't brag about, but they can't stop downloading because they solve real problems fast. I'm talking about the boring but powerful products, the checklists, the cheat sheets, the fast fix guides. Think about it. When someone is anxious, stressed, or overwhelmed, they don't want a 200-page ebook. They want a 1-page guide that tells them exactly what to do. Productivity cheat sheets, budget checklists, home organization roadmaps, simple daily routines. These are printing money right now because people want clarity, not complexity. Now let's go even deeper because the next group is more surprising. These are the micro-skill digital products. Tiny topic tutorials that solve a very specific pain point. How to organize your phone, how to create a digital vision board, how to simplify your skincare routine, how to meal prep for beginners. These small teaching products sell quietly every single day because they eliminate confusion. People are willing to pay to skip frustration. And creators who understand this are making money while they sleep. Before we move to the next category, pause for a second and like this video if this is opening your eyes. And don't forget, the free 50 digital products that sell plus starter kit is in the description, so AI can run your business systems while you create and sell. The next category buyers are quietly obsessed with is digital tools that help them shortcut something in their life. Think trackers, planners, calculation sheets, quizzes, routines that are already built out. These are the tools people don't advertise they purchased, but they keep buying because they make their life easier. And here's the part nobody tells you. These products become best sellers when you solve one very specific problem instead of trying to solve everything at once. Now let's get into something creators rarely talk about. People aren't just buying products, they're buying speed, they're buying clarity, they're buying emotional relief. And this is where most creators fail. They focus on the product instead of the transformation. When you describe your product as the fastest way for someone to get the answer they've been searching for, your sales will instantly increase. This is the same strategy billion-dollar brands use. They remove the guesswork and they position the product as the easy button. Let me give you a quick example. A budgeting ebook is nice. A 1-page emergency budget plan for people who are behind on bills sells faster. A fitness guide is nice. A 15-minute morning routine for women who want to lose belly fat sells faster. A self-care planner is nice. A 3-step reset routine for overwhelmed moms sells faster. The more specific the problem, the easier the sale. Now here's the part that brings everything together. The digital products everyone is secretly buying right now share 3 things. They solve something small, they solve something fast, and they solve something people are embarrassed to ask about. That could be finances, health, productivity, organization, relationships, cleaning, confidence. These are the products that never go viral online, but they quietly bring in daily sales because they deal with private struggles people want fixed immediately. Before we wrap up, I want you to think about 3 questions. What small problem can you solve? What shortcut can you give someone? And what private stress are people secretly searching for solutions to? Your answers to those questions will reveal the product that can make you money way faster than anything you've tried before. Make sure you like and subscribe because I'm going to break down how to create these products step by step in upcoming videos. And don't forget to download the free 50 digital products that sell plus starter kit in the description, so AI can take care of the busy work while you focus on creating digital products that actually sell. I'll see you in the next video.